In this video, we're going to take a look at how to query in Google Sheets. So for this example, we want to return data from columns A, B, C, where the state equals Kentucky. So what we're going to do is type query, then we're going to select our data, then we're going to press comma, and then in quotes, we're going to type select, and then we're going to select columns A, B, C, where K equals single quotes Kentucky, then normal quotes at the end. So that's the formula that we're going to use. If we click enter, it brings us column A, B, C. If the state is Kentucky, and we have these two here, and it's bringing the information that relates to that.